All right, and we're going to look at example 1 on page 350. And our vocabulary from the overview is the coefficient, which is the number stuck onto the variable, and a variable, which is a letter that or a symbol that represents a number. And we're looking at example 1, and it says evaluate 2 times this whole parentheses n plus 3 if n equals 4, and it's negative 4. So be careful of that. So in algebra, my favorite word is substitute in, and so it goes 2, and n is negative 4 plus 3. You must have this step in. Come on, work down. So substitute in. So the order of operations says you must work inside, so circle that, and you have different, so you subtract, and it's negative 1. And then circle solve, bring it on down. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And that's solved. And so they kind of bring it down as an equation in the book, and it isn't. It is expression. And example 2 on page 350, it says solve, let me get a different color, 8w minus 2v if w equals 5 and v equals 3. So substitute in 8, and remember, when the coefficient and the variable are together, it means multiply, times 5 minus 2 times 3. All right, and so multiply together, circle and solve, you get 40. Circle and solve, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And then they are different, so you subtract, and you get 34. And so there you go. Your coefficient is 8 in this case, and negative 2. And let's see if we can do example 3. We're going to squeeze it in here. So it says evaluate 4y squared plus 2 if y equals 3. And so this is the substitute in. So 4 is the coefficient, y squared, oops, and let me erase that, substitute in. So let's go back. So it's 4 times 3 squared plus 2. So this is really order of operations. So order of operations says you do PEMDAS, so exponents come first, so circle that and solve it. 3 squared is 9, it's 3 times 3. Bring down the rest of the stuff, and you have to solve multiplication first. So 4 times 9 is 36 plus 2 is 38. And I just figured out that the book doesn't say y squared, it says y cubed. So mine's a little bit different, but the process is the same. So don't forget your vocabulary. You have coefficient, FF. Let me start again. Okay, coefficient is COEFFICIENT, and that's the number stuck onto the variable. And the other vocabulary is variable, and that's a symbol or a letter most often used to represent a number. And the last one is substitute. And they don't have this one in the book, but I'm adding it in, and that means when you solve an expression or equation, you substitute the values that you know. Thank you.